We see here a good setup. I've marked a couple of things here. We've got the spine angle and the club plane, which are pretty close to 90 degrees. We also got the butt marked and the top of the head marked. Let's see what goes on in this swing here. Let's watch the back swing. Look at that, right on the plane. Wow, that's really nice. But a little lifting going. You see he's pulled up a little bit out. That's because his butt is moving away from the red line. Do you see that? See, it's on the red line and it moves away from the red line. We've got to keep the butt out behind us. Now, right about here, he's in a pretty good position. Notice that the trail elbow is right on the swing plane. We could have the hands a little bit higher, but not much. The club is just a tiny bit off plane. In a pretty good position, but his head has lifted a little bit. If his head was back down where it belongs, the hands would be a little higher, and it would be even closer on the plane. The other thing we notice is that how the knees are no longer in a line. The right knee has moved out and away from him. We'd rather the right knee move a little bit more towards the golf ball rather than away. Away from the target rather than towards the golf ball. Sorry, I got that backwards. But let's watch the downswing now. He should drop the club back in the slot. No, he doesn't. See, right here, because he's so out of position with his right knee, he's going to swing out over the top of that swing plane until he drops the right knee back in. Now, he's got himself back into a position with his head, but look how far forward his butt has moved. What that means now is that his weight is shifted to the toe of his trail foot. I bet if I blow this up, you're going to see his heel off the ground. And gosh, we do. We got to make sure that doesn't happen. I'll bet you also that right foot moved. Let's back up a little bit. Yep, there it was, right there. That right moves. That's what's throwing him out of position, getting his butt offline, and why he's not hitting the ball as cleanly as he could. We have to have a stable platform to hit from. He got away with it pretty good because he's got great hand-eye coordination. But let's work on keeping the feet a little more connected to the ground through impact.